What if I told you ChatGPT just got absolutely wrecked, and not by Google, not by Anthropic, not even by Meta, but by China? Yeah, China just dropped a series of AI tools so powerful, so fast, and so cheap, they're making Silicon Valley's finest look like they're stuck in 2022. Real-time image generation that updates as you type, full video production studios inside your browser, and a multi-agent research AI that basically runs an entire team of PhDs, solo, and it's not hype. These things are already outperforming GPT models in dozens of benchmarks. This isn't a prediction, it's already happening. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how China just leapfrogged the entire Western AI industry for a fraction of the cost. Let's start with Tencent because what they just released changes everything if you care about visuals. They dropped Hunyuan Image 2.0. And this thing doesn't just generate images fast, it generates them as fast as you can think. You start typing a prompt, it starts drawing in real time. No delays, no loading bars, no waiting 20 seconds while your screen sits frozen like it's still 2019. We're talking millisecond response time. You write a word, the image updates instantly. You sketch something, boom, it renders while your hand's still moving. You talk out loud, and the model paints what you're saying on the fly. It's insane. And unlike a lot of fast models that sacrifice quality, this thing actually looks good. Like, shockingly good. It uses rebuilt codecs and an upgraded diffusion system, so when you ask for fine details, like texture on skin, intricate lighting, reflections, it nails it. Their Geneva benchmark scores, over 95% accuracy. That's ahead of pretty much every image model in the game right now. But the real game changer here is the drawing board mode. Designers pay attention as you sketch. The image updates. As you color, it blends in real time. It's like Photoshop and Midjourney had a baby and then taught it to listen to your voice commands. This kind of speed and control is something you just don't get from anything tied to ChatGPT's ecosystem. Diffusion models like DALL-E or SDXL. They're powerful, but they're slow, clunky. You prompt, you wait, you revise. Hunyuan Image doesn't wait, it flows with you. And when you factor in how usable this is for live events, marketing, education, any environment where visuals need to happen now, you start to realize this isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new level. While Tencent is making image generation feel like magic, Alibaba is going after something even bigger: full-blown video production. Meet Vase. Sounds innocent, right? But don't let the name fool you, this is a monster. Vase stands for Video All-in-One Creation and Editing. And the key word here is all-in-one. Because if you've ever tried making videos with AI tools before, you know the pain. One app to cut, another to mask, another to animate. Then jump into After Effects just to clean up a janky transition. It's like assembling IKEA furniture without the manual, frustrating as hell. But Vase, you can do it all right there. Generate video from a text prompt. Recolor just one object in the frame. Extend a scene without ruining the lighting. Swap backgrounds, composite new elements, even merge different references into one consistent look without switching tools. No exports. No re-renders. No crashing halfway through your timeline. The backbone here is their 2.1 model, up to 14 billion parameters. And under the hood is this video unit system that basically acts like a recipe manager. You tell it what to cook, swap this, extend that, animate here, and it figures out how to make it seamless. No weird object warping. No cutscene jumpiness, just clean, smooth edits. It even handles up to 720p natively, and the team's already pushing toward higher for online content. That's more than enough right now. And when you see how stable it is compared to Western tools, the quality speaks for itself. And it's open source. You want to run this on your own machine? Go ahead. Got a decent GPU? You're good. Python, CUDA, Gradio. It's plug and play for most developers. You can even run it all from a browser tab if you want. This isn't just a cool demo, it's a real production tool that creators, marketers, and devs can use right now to go from idea to finished video without the nightmare workflow. That's not just catching up to OpenAI. That's jumping way ahead. If you're wondering whether China can really go toe-to-toe with OpenAI's biggest models, this next one's your answer. ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, just dropped Seed 1.5 VL, and this thing isn't playing around. We're talking full multimodal AI, text, images, video, documents, all processed through one system. And not just it kind of works. Now, it's actually outperforming GPT-based vision models in 38 out of 60 public benchmarks. That's OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, all getting edged out by a Chinese model most people haven't even heard of. So what's the secret sauce? First, the architecture. Seed 1.5 VL uses a dual-core setup, a 532 million parameter vision encoder, paired with a 20 billion parameter LLM. It's not the biggest model out there, but it's smartly built, efficient, and absolutely lethal when it comes to reasoning across multiple inputs. They trained it on over 3 trillion tokens and not just random web junk. This data was ultra-filtered using clip scores, aspect ratio analysis, duplication detection niners, even boosting rare visual concepts that most models completely miss. It's like feeding the AI a curated diet of only the highest quality information, and the results show. Seed 1.5 VL can handle everything from object counting and chart interpretation to 3D spatial understanding and OCR. It doesn't just see Mitischen in our stands. Now here's the wild part. The model actually adapts its frame rate and resolution based on what it's looking at. Busy video? It keeps more frames. Slow scene? It drops the detail to save processing power. That gives it next-level performance without ballooning the token budget. In real-world tests, this model matched or beat much larger systems across tasks like video kinda, diagram reasoning, and document analysis. And it's not just academic Mikshu could build bots that can see, analyze video in real time, interpret charts, navigate UI elements. Stuff GPT-4V still struggles with. This isn't just a flex, it's a signal. ByteDance isn't playing catch-up, they're building serious production-grade intelligence that competes at the highest level. Okay, we've seen China crush it in visuals, video, and multimodal reasoning. But what if I told you they've also built a full AI-powered research lab with no humans? That's what Deerflow is. It's ByteDance's new open-source framework for automating complex research using multiple specialized AI agents, and it's honestly kind of terrifying in the best way. Here's the big idea. Instead of relying on one massive AI to plan, search, code, analyze, and summarize, you break that up. You create a team of smaller, focused AIs. One plans the research, another pulls in the data, a third runs the code, a fourth writes the report. Each one knows its role, and they all coordinate through a shared workflow graph. This is way more efficient than the single-agent setups most Western models use. GPT-style agents are smart, sure, but they're trying to do everything at once. Deerflow divides and conquers. And it's built on familiar tech, LangChain, LangGraph, Python 3.12, Node.js. No weird proprietary black boxes. It even has a full visual UI so you can trace what each agent is doing, debug in real time, and jump in to manually tweak anything. Human in the loop by default. You want to automate a literature review? Deerflow handles the search, summarizes key points, generates a report, and can even create a slide deck. Need to run code-based analysis on some fresh data? It sets up the pipeline, executes the code, visualizes the results now, and it's also integrated with real-world APIs like DuckDuckGo, Brave Search, Arxiv, plus execution tools and ByteDance's own model controller. And yes, it can turn your results into podcast scripts or even full audio reports using built-in text-to-speech with tunable pitch, volume, and speed. Think about what this means. Academic research, business intelligence, even technical reporting, all streamlined, automated, and scalable. And it's open source. Anyone can build on top of this. So while everyone's talking about how ChatGPT might replace junior devs or entry-level writers, ByteDance is out here replacing the entire pipeline. Planning, analysis, creation, distribution, all handled by a modular AI team. This isn't just evolution, mens. It's a total rewrite of how we work. What do you think? Comment below. And if you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.